Hello friends. Welcome back to the Tips and Tricks 2000 channel. In household chores, cleaning pans that have been dirty for a long time can be really challenging. Today, I will show you an incredibly effective way to clean your old frying pan. This handle is also very loose, so we'll take it off to check. It's also dirty in the crevices, so cleaning it is equally important. First, we need a container of hot water. It will help loosen the grease stains. Here, we need some baking soda. You can easily buy it at local stores or supermarkets. And it's also very affordable. Sprinkle it evenly over the surface of the pan. Next, we'll add white vinegar. You can also use lemon juice as a substitute, and it works just as well. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. We'll pour in the hot water. As you can see, the surface of the pan has been significantly cleaned. We'll continue to soak it for about 10 to 15 minutes. We'll use a steel scrub pad to clean the surface. Friends, please write from which country you are watching me. I'm very interested. I'm glad you could watch this video. Just look how easy it is to wash off all the dirt. Repeat. You haven't followed me yet? Then like and subscribe. I will be very pleased to see your support. For the inside of the pan, we should use a sponge instead of a steel scrub pad. This will help prevent damage to the surface of the pan. Now apply a little toothpaste to leave a thin layer that will protect your pan from dirt. Remember to clean both the inside and the outside. Now, let's rinse it off. As you can see, it's shiny and clean again. And here's the rust stain. It's not dirt. Before reassembling the pan, apply a layer of WD-40 and use a soft cloth to rub it in. Do you like this idea? Write about it in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.